Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going into a Costco and we got to take a look at a plugged chicken room drain. So let's go in and see if we pull back a bunch of grease or hair nets or who knows what we'll pull back today. Let's go in and see what it is. Up, eh?
Yeah, you're good, buddy.
Alright, perfect. So what's happening here?
Honestly, man, I didn't even know you were coming.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I think what happened actually was somebody, not me, dumped all this shit in there. Right? So I think it just backed up, right?
Yeah, makes sense.
So, yeah. Bacon is in this aisle here on the other side. That's right here.
Can I steal this bucket?
Yeah, yeah.
got plugs going down your drain.
That's why, eh?
Part of it.
Are you done, man? Yeah.
Yeah. All right, brother.
All right, man.
Have yourself a good day, all right?
What's that, sir?
Said have a good day.
You too, buddy.
Thanks a lot, eh? Cheers.
Yeah.
All right, now what we're gonna do is just rinse off our cables. This is the basket that's supposed to be in here to stop all the debris from going down. Clearly they don't even use it. It's not even the right size. It should be tipped upside down inside. And yeah, this place is a joke. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a Costco food court today and we got to take a look at a drain that's been plugged up. There's always water in it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. All good.
What happened?
It was plugged. You guys put too much garbage down there.
You get
Nah, a little paper towel, that was it.
Oh, yeah, we don't. That's a little brown one, yeah?
Somebody does.
Okay.
You're good now, though.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day, guys. See, look. See, that's what I mean. Little bits of paper towel. But that's just what got caught on the cable.
Yeah.
There was a blockage. It's clear now. Just somebody's got to be more careful of what's going down. All right?
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good night. Alright guys, there you go, nice easy one. Blockage was just beyond the trap. So until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.